Hi, my name is Monica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sample your well water. When we sample our well water for metals or other contaminants, we rely on a small amount of water to tell us about that well water. So the first thing we want to do is we want to purge our well. In order to do that, we're going to turn on a spigots or irrigation system for 2 to 4 hours to do so. So here I'm going to be turning on a spigot, and we're going to have the hose running into the grass so we don't overflow our septic tank. Now that we've purged our well, we're ready to collect our sample. Here we have two faucets. We have our RO, or reverse osmosis faucet, and here we have our regular tap. We want to sample from a regular tap for this study. So your sample bottle will come in a Ziploc bag. We're just going to open that Ziploc bag, and we're going to fill our bottle up to the shoulder. And so that's plenty good. We've now filled it up to the shoulder of the bottle. Now I'm going to make sure that my lid is nice and tight, and I'm going to put it back in our Ziploc bag for shipping. So now that we've collected our sample, we're going to ask you to fill out a well water data sheet. We want some basic information about when you collected your sample, and we want some information about your water. For example, how does your water smell today? Or does it have a color to it? This is important information for us when we assess your well water. Now that we've filled out our data sheet, we're ready to return our sample to the lab. I'm going to put the data sheet back into the Ziploc bag. And then these will go back into the shipping box that was included with your sample. Now I also want to remember to include my sample and double check that the lid is nice and tight. And then this can go right back into that same box. And then seal your box, and then it's ready to be returned back to the lab. Thank you for your support of our project.